પ્લેસિંગ યોર ઓબ્જેક્ટ બિટવીન ધ કર્વેચર ઓકે એન્ડ ધ પ્રિન્સિપલ ફોકસ, એટલે કે હવે આપણે સી અને એફની વચ્ચે મૂકીએ છીએ, બરાબર. તો ઇફ યુ પ્લેસિંગ યોર ઓબ્જેક્ટ બિટવીન સી એન્ડ એફ દેન યોર પોઝિશન ઓફ ધ ઇમેજ ઇઝ ગોઝ બિયોન્ડ ધ સી, બરાબર. સિમ્પલ વસ્તુ છે, ઇમેજ ક્યાં જાય છે, દૂર જાય છે, તો બિયોન્ડ ધ સી. અગેન ઇમેજ તમારી ફોર્મ તો ક્યાં થયેલી છે, front of the mirror, so it will be real and inverted. અને હવે તમારી જે ઇમેજ હશે that will be magnified image. ઓકે, આ ઇમેજ કેવી મળશે તમને, મેગ્નિફાઈડ મળશે અંદર. ઓકે, સો how you will construct the ray diagram, again same thing, draw these three F and C. Okay, now you have to place your object between C and F. So you are taking this object, okay, again you have to take the parallel rays, okay, and that will passing from the what, principal focus, yes or no. Okay, you take the another ray that is there, and in this way you will get the what, intersection, and draw the object size. Okay, you will 99% get this type of bigger image. Okay, means તમે AB ની જેટલી હાઇટ લીધી છે એના કરતાં આની હાઇટ કેવી મળશે, ઓલવેઝ તમને વધારે મળશે અંદર. ઓકે, અને યાદ રાખો એવું નેસેસરી નથી કે you will only consider the rays given in this figure. You can consider out of the 4 ray any of the 2 rays. Okay, and whatever looking easy, that ray you have to consider. તમને જે પણ easy લાગે that ray you will be consider, and you have to try to form the image. Okay, now we will move on the next stage. Okay, now if you are placing the object at the principal focus, okay, so if you placing the principal focus, then how can you construct the ray? So here you will consider first of all the what, parallel rays. So after the reflection it will pass from the F. Okay, and if you have to right now take, હવે તમારી પાસે એવો ઓપ્શન્સ નથી that you will consider the ray that is passing from the F. Okay, because object itself is on the F, so you have to consider the third one ray, that is what, if it is passing through the C line. Okay, so this is the C line, and we know that કે C માંથી જશે તો એ ડિરેક્શનમાં રિટર્ન થાય છે અંદર. Okay, so if you consider, then after the reflection both are looking to be what, almost parallel. Okay, and this is considered as the fifth case. So whenever you are placing the object at the principal focus, then you will never get the intersection of the rays. Okay, so it means that your image will be formed at the infinite distance. Okay, your image will be formed at an infinite distance. આપણે થોડીક વાર પહેલા જ વાત કરી, if you consider object is very far, then the rays coming from the object you have to consider parallel. So here rays are looking parallel, it means that image will be formed at infinite distance. Okay, again it will form behind in front of the mirror, so it will be real and inverted. Okay, and it is highly magnified. Okay, તો first case માં કેવો હતો, highly diminished, same as the object, પછી magnified, and then after highly magnified. But in all the 4 cases the nature will be what, real and inverted. Okay, object will come closer and closer to the mirror, but image will be go farther and farther from the mirror. Okay, now last case, that is the what, exceptional case, that is the what, if you placing the object between the pole and the principal focus. Okay, હવે તમે ઓબ્જેક્ટને ક્યાં પ્લેસ કરો છો, in between pole and the principal focus, but at the time you will got your final image not in front of the mirror. Okay, why? Because these rays are go in the different direction, but if you are extending these rays in the backward direction, so you will get the intersection of these 2 rays behind the mirror. Okay, so that's why we will say that here the image will be formed behind the mirror, and that image will be virtual, and virtual image is always erect image. Okay, clear? So if you placing the object between the pole and principal focus, then your position of the image always behind the mirror, and nature will be what, virtual and erect, and the size will be what, magnified. Okay, અહીંયા કઈ જે સાઇઝ હશે એ શું હશે, magnified હશે. Now how you will draw the ray diagram? This is the somewhat hard diagram you have to construct. So again we are going to be simple technique. Okay, so જે આપણું ફિક્સ છે તો ફિક્સ જ છે, F and C. Okay, now you have to place your object here, but kindly you have to take your object in smaller size. Okay, now consider the parallel rays. So after the reflection it will go from the what, F માંથી જશે અંદર, yes or no, and you have to take third one is the what, from the C. Okay, so if you extending here you will directly get the one of the intersection point, and finally construct this vertical line, you will got the what, image. Okay, so all the ray diagram are very simple, but if you are placing your logic with the ray diagram, then you will definitely draw in a very easiest way to this ray diagram. Okay, now we will talk about the next type of, that is the image formation by the convex mirror. But in convex mirror only two types of there. First is very simple and second one is also simple. Okay, so first, in the convex mirror, its focal point, its center of curvature, all are behind the mirror. But if you placing the object behind the mirror, then you will never get the image. So that's why here there are the only two cases possible, that is very farther to the mirror and near to the mirror. Okay, અહીંયા આગળ C and F, on the C, એવા બધા points લેવાની necessary નથી. Why? Because they are formed on the left hand side, means behind the mirror. Okay, so ત્યાં આગળ તો આપણે કંઈ object મૂકીશું તો આપણને image મળવાની હતી, તો why should we are doing? Okay, ચલો, so we will understand this part. So if you taking the object at an infinite distance, then in the first case that we see in concave mirror, that is if you taking the infinite, then you have to take the rays parallel. Okay, then after reflection is goes are in outward direction, but you were extending in the backward direction, then you will get the one intersected point, and that is called the what? Principal focus. So position of the image will be what? At the principal focus, but it is behind the mirror. Okay, so it's a very easy case, yes or no? Okay, and the second one case is that if you placing the object between the infinite to the pole, like means nearer to the mirror, okay, then how you will construct again you have to take a parallel. So after the reflection, how can you construct this ray? If you have to take parallel, then after the reflection you have to show this line, but this line whenever intersect at the backward, that point you have to consider the F. Okay, and another what you have to do from A and consider. Now we talk about the second case of the convex mirror, that is if you are placing the object in between infinite point and the pole. Okay, so in the convex mirror again you have to recall that only two cases. First, if you placing the object at the infinite, and second one is what? You have to place the object between the infinite and the pole. Okay, now how to construct its ray diagram? Again you have to simply make the mirrors. Okay, whatever are simple procedure, you have to draw convex mirror, you have to draw the principal axis, consider here as a F and here as a C. Okay, principal focus आपको कहाँ लेना है? पीछे लेना है अंदर. Okay, now you have to place the object in between, so you can place at any point. Okay, so take here as the object. Now again consider the first one common, that is a parallel ray. Okay, and we know that the parallel after reflection, okay, it will pass through the principal focus, so join this point and this point. Okay, but here you have to consider as dotted line, and then you have to continue, so this one will be become reflected ray. Okay, first ray is clear. Now how to draw the second ray, because we need at least two ray for the construction of the image. Okay, now second ray you have to consider as per the C. Okay, so you have to take the ray, join this point to the C point. Okay, so consider this way, and here you have to use the dotted line. So after the reflection it will go in this direction. Okay, so in this way you are getting this ray and this ray intersection at here, and you have to construct the what? Line. Okay, so in this way you are getting this kind of object. Okay, you will see. So let again we revise it. Okay, consider the parallel ray. So after the reflection F સાથે join करो, and consider the one line which is in the direction of the what? C. Okay, so here you will get the intersection and join this in a vertical line. Okay, so you will get the final image. Okay, again this image will be formed behind the mirror, so that's why it is called the what? Virtual and erect, and its size is what? Small, that is diminished, and the image you will obtain always between the pole and the principal focus. Okay, so in the next lecture we will learn about the what? Mirror formula, lens mirror formula, magnification formula, as well as we also learn some strategic point about the ray diagram. Okay, thank you.